Except you have your modifier or diffuser. What all you're doing is really changing the direct light source to the kind of light source you want showing up on the subject that you're shooting, whether it be person, food, cocktail. So I use a softbox for every single thing I do. When it comes to highlighting a food or a drink, using just the bare bulb itself is not really going to be a flattering option unless it's going to be sort of in the background, creating some sort of like accent light in the back of the room. For the most part, a small softbox is all you're going to need, right? This one comes with this particular light. That's why I think it's great. There's different mounts for different lights. Sometimes you might have to buy an adapter if you're trying to mix one softbox with one kind of light, but for the most part, a lot of lights have their own proprietary softboxes. So this is great. So pop it open. I highly recommend buying something like this, right, where it's umbrella style, where it just locks like this, and then anytime you're done, you just press the buttons and it closes. The last thing you want is have to put pins in this thing, because that will take time, and time is everything when it comes to being on set, especially at a bar or a restaurant. So boom, once everything is open, it goes right here on the light, snaps in, right, wait till it clicks, and then boom. So you see you got your light here, softbox on front. Let's turn it on. All right, so what you're looking at here, this setup, this is 90% of what you're gonna need for almost every single bar and restaurant shoot. A stand, a light stand like this, a light, and a diffuser. That's it. Most of the time it's gonna be angled 45 degrees down like this at your subject, right? And that's it. This right here is all you'll need to travel with to any bar or restaurant, anywhere in the world, to create amazing content for all the food items and for the majority of the talent you're gonna be shooting if it's a small amount of people. Adjustable, bright, versatile, and affordable. This is my setup. I absolutely love it. It's all you need to do the majority of the work you're gonna be booking.